Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Mcp-Agent, a revolutionary framework for building AI agents. It's all about making agent development simpler and more efficient.
I'm really excited about this. So, what's the core idea behind Mcp-Agent? Is it just another AI framework?
Not at all. It's unique because it's built around the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of MCP as a standardized way for AI assistants to interact with various software services. Mcp-Agent leverages this to create incredibly powerful and flexible agents.
Interesting. So how does it simplify agent development? What are the key features?
Well, it handles all the messy details of managing MCP server connections. It also implements all the patterns from Anthropic's Building Effective Agents paper. Things like parallel workflows, routers, and orchestrators. In a beautifully composable way, you can chain these patterns together to create complex agent behaviors.
So, composable means you can easily combine different workflow patterns? Like Lego blocks?
Exactly. And it even includes OpenAI's swarm pattern for multi-agent orchestration, but in a model-agnostic way. It's incredibly versatile. Plus, it's lightweight, more of an agent pattern library than a full-blown framework.
That sounds amazing. But what kind of applications can you build with it? Are we talking just theoretical stuff or real-world examples?
Oh, absolutely real-world. They have examples integrating with Claude Desktop, Streamlit, and even Marimo. You can build things like Gmail agents that can read, write, and manage emails, or simple RAG chatbots using vector databases. There's even a multi-agent system for airline customer support.
Wow, that's a wide range of applications. So what are the core components of Mcp-Agent itself?
The core is the MCP app, which manages the app's configuration. Then there's the agent, which is the basic building block. It interacts with MCP servers and exposes their tools to an LLM. And finally, the augmented LLM, which is an LLM enhanced with tools from the MCP servers. Everything else builds on top of these.
I see. And these augmented LLMs are key to the composability, right? Because they're themselves workflows?
Precisely. Each workflow pattern, parallel, router, evaluator optimizer, orchestrator workers, swarm, is an augmented LLM. This allows for seamless chaining and nesting of workflows. It's incredibly elegant.
That's really clever. It seems like a lot of thought went into the design. But what about limitations? Are there any downsides?
Well, it's still early in development. The documentation could be more comprehensive, and some features, like durable execution and long-term memory, are still on the roadmap. But the core functionality is solid, and the community is actively contributing.
That's good to know. So what's next for Mcp-Agent? What are the developers planning?
They're focusing on durable execution using temporal, adding long-term memory support, and improving streaming capabilities. They also want to expand MCP capabilities beyond tool calls to include resources, prompts, and notifications. It's a very ambitious project with a bright future.
It certainly sounds like it. Thanks for the insightful overview. This is definitely a project to keep an eye on.
Absolutely. And that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye, and have a productive day.
Bye-bye.